know for that. I won't know these things until I come to replace them, will I? You know, so there we go. Now, put all my knobs. No, don't be doing that. Oh, hang on, I've not put the... No, they're good knobs these. And put the foam thing under it. That's it. What's on? What's on? I want the balance to be in the middle. There we go. The balance one has to be right. There we go. Record player. There we go. I say record player, and I said that because I want it on the record player setting. Now let's plug the speakers in. Now bearing in mind all I've done is move the rectifier. I'm not expecting any problems. And as far as I know, I haven't forgotten to connect anything. There's not really much you can forget to connect in this. It's only a couple of wires. So see, I've got this on Marketplace on Facebook for sale, and to be perfectly honest with you, if I ever find a fucking power lead, we can give it some power. To be perfectly honest with you, I'd like to keep this myself, but I thought it was a damaged power lead. It's not. It's something stuck on the power lead. Yeah. There we are. Ooh. What's that? What's that hissing noise? Whoa, I didn't like the sound of that. Yep. Yeah. Oh, it was only the cartridge. Yeah, it was only the cartridge, folks. That was a bit worrying. It was just the cartridge. Let's just try. It's a bit worrying there. It was only the cartridge. But let's put it back, the balance back in the middle. There we go.
Have you seen the old man who goes down the market, picking up the papers with his worn out shoes in his eyes?
So that was only caused through me banging the deck because, oops, see, that's not hit. It's not hitting anywhere. That it was caused through the cartridge. But I'll give the cartridge carrier and everything a good clean. Before I go, I'll show you, for those who don't know that wish to know, I'll show you how to set the counterbalance on one of these. What you do, you turn the wheel here. You turn that to 0 and the arm should float. Set the anti-skate to 0. There we go. And the arm should float level. If the arm doesn't float level, which that's just about right. If the arm, there's a fucking layer of dust on that arm. If the arm doesn't float level, you undo this here and you adjust the counterweight back and forward until the arm floats level, and then all you do, you bring that up, and I generally set these to 3 grams. These this is an Audio Technica cartridge, but I generally set them to 3 grams. And if I get my scales, if I can find them, where's my scales? I'm making life hard for myself, aren't I? I can't find my scales, but I'm not going to compare it, but I can't find them. But that's how it's done, for those who don't know. Anyway, folks, as I say, I hope to see a few of you tomorrow at Goldstone, at Goldborn, and we can, you know, see what nice vintage things we can find. But don't buy everything, because I want something as well. Anyway, I'm going to get this video uploaded and get a brew. Thanks for watching, folks, and that was the moving of the rectifier on the DYNATRON record player. You know, it would have taken them a few minutes to just do what I did. You know, a few minutes to do what I did, and then the screw, that screw down won't hit anything. So, and I've just dragged, I've just dragged them glasses right under that arm, but luckily I didn't hit the stylus if I did, it made a noise. Anyway, folks, thank you very much for watching. I'll see some of you tomorrow at the swap meet when me and Mike get there. Catch you later, folks, and thanks for watching, and more to come later. Bye for now.